Here's a textbook example of a 7-figure online business that you can create right now today with virtually zero overhead. All right, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button so you're notified of all the lazy online business tutorials that I release when I release them. All right, guys, so I just purchased a product on Amazon today, and as I was purchasing it, I was like, man, this is the perfect market. So I'm going to walk you through it right now and tell you why and some of the major key parts of a market that you should look for that really gives it that oomph factor. All right, with that said, let's jump right on into the money-making good stuff. Here we go. All right, Deadbeat. So last night at 3 a.m. in the morning, I made a random purchase on Amazon. I was browsing and I found this topic, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, old Deadbeat might make a business around this in the near future. So basically what this is one of those little hand drills that you can use to start a fire without a lighter. So as I was buying it, I also purchased along with it this little upgrade here, this Bushcraft 101. This is essentially the art of surviving in the wilderness with just basic stuff that's laying around in the forest. The first thing I want to point out is that anything that is a life skill is something people are willing to spend money on. So I know the chances of me being stuck out in a forest without a lighter, let alone in a forest, are slim to none. But it doesn't matter to me. It makes me feel better knowing that if I need to start a fire in the future, I'm going to know how to do it without having, just if I don't have anything around me, like worst case emergency scenario. So that makes me feel more prepared and therefore more confident. And in general, it makes me feel like more manly knowing that I can start a fire if I have to. But what I want to point out here is this market is absolutely freaking insane. Let me scroll down to show you what I mean. All right, so as I bought it, and I bought that book along with it, what I noticed was, man, there are a ton of digital products related to this topic, and not only that, but people are buying them in droves. So you see here this advanced bushcraft. I think bushcraft is kind of like an artistic term. He's the brand that he's made of the business here. But you see there's 2,000 reviews there, 220 reviews on his third book, and 100 on his fourth book. This might be more of a newer product, but what I'm pointing at is people are buying the crap out of this product. Let's keep scrolling, looking at the other digital products here. We have survival medicine, survival hacks. We have bug out bag. A whole business can be built literally based off these reviews, 730 reviews on bug out bags. So where I'm getting at is something I really like to see in a market is you have your main marketplace, let's just call it survivalism or prepping, and in that space there are sub-markets that have the potential to support individual businesses in and of themselves. So right now I can guarantee you that there are multiple 7-figure online businesses just based off of the topic of bug out bags. Let's keep going. We got how to eat in the woods. That looks like a pretty searched topic. Also another one is water purification. This is a big topic. So that alone, you have water purification, you have these tablets. This can be turned into a product line in and of itself. So what I'm looking for when I see potential is, first things first, is it something I can get into right now with very little money with the skills that I have at my current disposal? So I don't quite have the knowledge yet about how to survive, but this is the first step for me. If I want to get into this business, I have this core skill, how to start a fire. So you got to ask yourself, is like, can you get into this right now for free? And do you have the expertise or at least specific knowledge that you can charge money for? Reason why is because we don't have to have, tens of thousands of dollars to launch a product. We just create a quick little book or so, and then just head over to Canva, build up a little ebook image. Like you can see, they don't have to be intense, like how to stay alive in the woods. Literally a green background, some words on it, and just like a little campfire. Like it's not that, it doesn't have to be that intense here. Now, another thing I like to look for is, can I progress up the next level in business? So what I mean is, like, let's say I decide to start an ebook. I put it on ClickBank, for example. Is there a way for me to take the money that I make with that business and start investing back into the business? What I mean by this is, like, will I be able to, for example, get a private label knife made? Maybe I can pair that up as an upgrade. Will I be able to get a bug out bag canvas made or something like that? Can I take my money that I make and reinvest it back in the business to level up and tier up the ladder there? Another thing that makes a great niche market is anything related to lifestyle. People are nuts about this prepping stuff. So that people identify like almost a self-identity thing, like, oh yeah, I'm a survivalist. Yeah, that makes me like a manly man. It's a lifestyle identity type thing. That's a great check mark that I'm looking for. Is this something that enhances someone's quality of life? As far as, does the information that I teach or that they get taught, does that enrich their life in some way? Do they feel better about themselves? Do they feel more equipped and more confident and optimistic about the future? If so, that's something people are always willing to spend money for. Topic number 3, is this something related to a hobby? This can be a hobby, a lifestyle for people, or a profession. Some people like trail guides, they need a backpack full of this stuff. So it's related to a profession also. So this topic hits multiple different check marks. Great topic. Right off the bat, I can tell you this is going to be an awesome topic for people. So with that said, guys, just want to make this quick video. I've been kind of behind the scenes the last couple of weeks, been learning a lot of new internet marketing skills. Hope to share these with you guys in the future. I've been learning about webinars and Facebook paid ads. I've been spending more time about in learning that. So share that in the future. Just want to give you guys a quick update, let you know I haven't died or anything. Deadbeat's still here, live and kicking. Or at least the live part, I don't know about the kicking part. By the way, if you want to start this, if you want to start an online business, I do have a free guide you can access below. This will walk you through the basics to get in the right position to start doing this stuff right now today. Get that at deadbeatuniversity.com/guide, or just click the link below. And again, that is a step-by-step process to creating a basic website that can help you sell these types of products. So that's it, guys. I'm going to go back to sleep, and also make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button to get all of the lazy online business videos that I release when I release them. Also, share this video with your friends. Comment below. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment, and I will pop in and answer them. With that said, time for me to go take a nap. Peace.